ụmụ ibe anyị ekene ụnụ, ụmụ ibe nwanne ụnụ nwoke nọ nso ekene ụnụ. Dịka anyị si ekwu, anyị nwa bụ Iyon Business Consultant, ọ bụ a consulting firm in Nigeria and Europe. As we said, anyị ga-ekene eke, kene orie, kene afọ, kene nkwọ, kene ndị mbụ, kene ndị ọkpụ, kene ndị egede, kene ndị ichie. Dịka anyị si ekwu, ọ ka anyị si eme na Igbo ka anyị si ekwu. Your business consultant bụ a consulting firm, which is our philosophy and ideology is based on Igbo business philosophy. Igbo business philosophy na-ekwu maka creativity and innovation, which is entrepreneurship. Ọ bụrụ about buying and selling. Dịka anyị si kwuo, the reason behind the business ị na-eme, the reason why you made the business, that is the issue. Or not to have money, then we talk about entrepreneurship. Or not to serve, to be a slave. Okay, it's okay. But in a young business consultant, and you got how to become an entrepreneur, not a petty trader. Or one nature in wetani, you get wetani na Karigwe, Nigerian number, +234 915 8799 987. +234, or name outside Nigeria, or name inside Nigeria is 0915. Then our Spanish number +34 61 34 08 93 +34 61 34 08 93. You have our number. You can also get us on Facebook, which is Iyon Business Consultant, or on Twitter, Iyon Business, or TikTok. What do you call it again? Twitter. All of them. Anywhere you go, you can see Iyon Business Consultant. Our specialization is on small businesses and medium enterprises. Our plan and objective, image journal Africa nwere job. We are going to start on Igbo land, because as na akụrụ ụlọ ọmara onye kpara ya. Ụmụ ibe dịka anyị si kwuo, ọ bụrụ about doing business. It's about becoming somebody. Ego one ị na-atụfu, how much did you spend to bring goods from Nigeria? Chegodi uche, think it just for a minute, pause for a minute and think. Is or what about doing business or about money? Do you want to have money? You cannot become a millionaire doing that. All those importers, Alaba, and all those things, go and ask them. Their high BP with 200. Their high BP with 220, 240 BP. Huh? Why? Okay, one container in Nigeria is 5 million. We had him. One container, to clear a container, 5 million. Imagine all good na these people on Europe here na-ebu dustbin. Ebokoro dustbin agaghị na what do you call it, container buru na Africa. Olusie na Africa spend there 5 million wee gbaa that thing. 5 million or wee gbaa dustbin. At the end of the day, nwete 1,000 naira, 1,000 euros or 1.5. After God spend 2 months, we load no container. That's how for an end man nwere ike ịda ya dajie ya ụkwụ. Obusie ihe niile we ruo Africa were 5 million. Why? With 5 million naira, you can start a manufacturing company in Igbo land with 5 million naira. So ego iji gbaa container, you can start a manufacturing company in Igbo land. If you do a manufacturing business for 5 years, you will be a millionaire. There is no how you become a millionaire picking dustbin from states of Europe. There is no how you will be a millionaire buying and selling in Alaba market. Nothing like that. Unless you own your, unless you are a criminal. Life and direct. Because all those things in there, but only put 5 million kg about one, you put 5 containers in check 5 million times 5. You can hear 5 million, 10 million, 15 million, 20 million, 25 million naira just to clear your container plus taxes government ga-ewere. Then ego one ka ị ga-enwezi ma ọ bụrụ na iresi ahịa, how much are you going to gain? Because I'm sure na ahịa ha ebunyeghị ihe for free. Unless you want to do adulteration, you want to sell something fake, no original. Hey, ree isi na isi, you butere adulteration. That is only when you can make money there. Oh no, original, obi gị dị ọcha, you want to do a genuine business. Importing does not help. It doesn't help you. There is no need Nigeria will be fighting contraband goods. You got to go. There is no need. The only need is that the person bringing this good should understand that he can make more money manufacturing. Or about electricity. Because in Nigerian constitution, manufacturers can generate electricity. In Europe here, most of manufacturers I know, they have their own electricity. Big companies, not a small company. Big companies, they have their own electricity in their own company. So all those large companies, they can generate their own electricity. So overall, too much something. As ka anyị nwasi ekwu, anyị nwere industrial zone, a young business group, a young group of companies nwere industrial zone. This industrial zone ga connect all the whole companies together with electricity. You got that? So you never invest in a young business group. Or na the industrial zone